Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you a new bot that we introduced to our Ninja Suite, and it's doing really well. We've run it, I've been running it for about a week, and it's been profitable every day for me. This one we closed out today. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and because we are at the end of the day, I don't like to trade after 4 o'clock. Actually, the last trade turned out to be a loser. And it actually was a winner at the end, and I'll show you how it played out. But this one is worse off Renko bars, and it's a little bit of a coding change. It enters trades differently than what you would typically see on a or a Renko chart, and it looks for chop, and it tries to figure out ways to find out that it does have chop, and when it does, it doesn't enter them, just like it never entered this trade here or this trade. This would have been a good one, but it resembled chop, so it took it out of there. But we can look through here. We are going to have losers. You're not going to be 100% win rate or nothing like that. The main thing is that we take profit and we keep our stops small. So on this one, the ratio is a little more than 1-to-1 as far as what we're running, but for the most part, it turns out pretty good. We could actually go for a little more profit, and if you're going to manually watch this, you could pull your stop up a little bit sooner or something, and probably make a little more money. But this is untouched. This bot was made just to let it run and not touch it and just take the profits as it goes. So you can see there's a lot of wins in there. There's a few losers, like I said. It's not going to be 100% win rate, but it does really well. We have 3 bots that we run all the time, and one is the Renko, this one. Another one is the Beast, which I have not shown you yet. I'll make another video on that. The Beast takes very few trades, but the trades it takes are will average $400 to $500 per contract per trade. So you really only need one trade, and then you're done. Then we also have the Sweet Scalper. The Sweet Scalper is our baby. It does a really good job. It's profitable daily. A new user that just signed up last week sent me a message, and she had made like I believe it was $1,500, 1,400 and change is what she ended up making. Really good, real good. So here's a picture of the one that she sent me. Make sure that she doesn't have anything on there. See, I can't show all of it, but there's her total P&L, 1426.84, and she did a really good job. She has only been trading with the bot for I guess really this week is when she started trading with it, and she's made money every day this week. She trades very early in the morning. She uses the Sweet Scalper, does a great job, and she is profitable daily. Her goal she set for herself was $500, and one day I think she made like $200. Another day she was around 800, I believe it was, and then today she was at 1400. So she's doing really well. I'm real proud of her. The people in our group are making money, and that's what we always want to see. And we've got people all over the world. We've got people in a lot of different countries using this, and they're real happy with it. The Ninja Suite retention is really good, so people keep on renewing. So that must mean they're making money. So let's talk about the Ninja Suite, what you have to do to get in it. If you go to the front page, it's right here. If you click on that, that's a way to get to it. You also have a package here. You show a little video right here as far as how it actually works, as far as what's included. You come up here, there's the Ninja Suite. When you click on that, it's going to open up to the different page, and this is going to be where all the information is on it. And when you find what you're looking for, and I'll give you a little intro of this. And you come down here, this is what it all includes. You have all the indicators on the website, plus a bunch of others that we do not even allow the public to see. as far as what to use. You get to see them through our videos, but you don't get to use them. And you have to be part of the Ninja Suite to get them, to get access. We also have trading bots here. The main ones we use, the Sweet Scalper and the Beast and the Renko I have not put on here yet. We're going to take these off over here because we found that the Sweet Scalper, Renko, and the Beast actually work better than these others. So there's 3 bots that we're currently using, and they just work great. We also have live streams, live trading, live training, and today I did live trading today I did live training. I didn't do any live trading today. I was too busy. We have a Discord room. In this Discord room, we talk about the charts, news, callouts, training, trades, much, much more. It's really good. You need to check this out. Coming down through here, this is showing some different videos of different things we do. And down here is the lease. Click on that and get started today. As soon as you lease it, you'll have all the information you need immediately. If you are familiar with NinjaTrader and trading in general, then you will get started real fast. If you're not, we have videos that teach you how to use the NinjaTrader, teach you how to use the bots, enable them, get them installed and all that, and getting you started right off. There's a lot of training videos on there that you can watch that will help you get started on this. There's setup instructions telling you exactly step by step how to get set up with NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is not always the easiest for some people. And even if you are a veteran to NinjaTrader, we give you a course that teaches you some tips and tricks of how to use NinjaTrader a little bit better. So you can get that. It's also for free. It comes with the lease, and like I said, all the indicators, the bots, and the training, the Discord, all that you get with it. Let me know if I can help you. There is a place if you want questions answered. I found out that last week I wasn't receiving my messages. That has been fixed. I put a note on here. So if you've contacted me in the last 7 days and I haven't responded, I didn't ignore you. I didn't get it. So send me another message and I will contact you. So just go in here, put your information in, click submit. I'll get it and I will get you started real fast. If you need to talk to me and go over it, we can do that. If you're ready to go, just go ahead and pull the trigger and get on the lease, and we'll get you in the Discord real quick and get you up and started real quick. Funded accounts, we do offer funded accounts. We recommend, we don't actually offer them ourselves in our company, but these are the 3 that we recommend. Between the 3, I like them all. If you're looking long term, Apex is definitely the one to go with the long term. Let us know what we can do to help you. I want to get you up and running immediately. So if we can get you your bots and everything and get all that installed, get them turned on, try them out for a day or 2 to make sure you're okay with them on a simulator. After that, get them on a live account, and the rest is history. You guys have a great day. Anything I can do for you, let me know. I'm here to help.